already have Google Pixel 3 series for the year 2018, and by today's leak it looks like the company is going to expand their smartphone range very soon. Unfortunately, there are no tips on the Pixel 3 Ultra, but for those who cannot afford a premium Pixel phone, Google will unveil the mid-range Pixel phones. The leak arrives from Rosette Cat, who has a great track record when it comes to Pixel phones. Yup, he's the one who did a whole bunch of Pixel 3 and 3 XL leaking, and this time they have got Pixel 3 Lite for us. This is a device that comes under the codename Sargo, and it's quite famous because of the continuous headlines on the internet. Moving to the main highlight of the video, the Pixel 3 Lite looks very much similar to the Pixel 3 and 3 XL, except those thick bezels, a headphone jack which was famously dropped on the Pixel line last year. And the reason behind this phone retaining a headphone jack is obvious. This is a mid-range phone by Google, and to grab attention in some markets like India, they need to do this. The back of this device is also similar to the Pixel 3, but it's definitely lacking an all-glass design. Instead, we will be getting a plastic body. In terms of specs, the Pixel 3 Lite features a 5.65-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 670 processor coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of unexpandable storage. We may have a higher storage variant too, but for this leak, it's only up to that. Also, as Google has chosen the Snapdragon 670 processor, the United States market may not get this device. As far as the camera is concerned, Google will use a 12-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. I'm very much hyped to see the camera performance on this device, as the company is known for their camera magic. We may also get the night sight mode on the Pixel 3 Lite, which is quite awesome. The only thing I don't like about this device is the battery size. The Pixel 3 Lite comes with a 2915 mAh of battery, but for the target customers, I don't think it should affect their decision to buy this device, as Google Pixel phones are made for a great camera and software experience instead of performance. Now, you must be curious about the fourth Pixel phone, which is codenamed Bonito. I'm pretty much on the positive side for that particular phone, as it will be getting more attention because of Snapdragon 710 chipset. So Google will definitely step into that region to boost their sales. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.